Today we're going to visit the infamous Lucky Cat Temple in Tokyo. Gotokuji Temple. The temple is located in Sedagai City, a Tokyo ward to the west of Shibuya. The story of the Lucky Cat Temple started when a domain lord saw a cat on his walk who beckoned him to follow it into a nearby temple. Shortly after his arrival, it began to storm outside, but he was safe inside. He missed the thunderstorm thanks to the conversation he struck up with the temple master. The lord was so impressed by the luck the cat brought him that he donated money to rebuild the temple in 1633. Later, the Gotokuji Temple built the Shofuku-den to enshrine the cat that brought such good fortune. They named the cat Manekineko. People from all over come to pray to the shrine for well-being, prosperity, luck, and happiness. Typically, Manekinekos hold a coin in their upright, raised hand. However, the Gotokuji Manekineko does not. This is because the Gotokuji Manekineko does not guarantee prosperity and luck. Rather, it provides chances and links to people who can help make it happen. It leaves it up to you to make it work. It doesn't hold a coin to teach this lesson. Neighborhood cats tend to roam around the temple grounds, and it's said to be very lucky to see them. Gotokuji Manekineko amulets and other souvenirs are available to purchase at the temple office. There are various Lucky Cat sizes to choose from, ranging from 500 to 7,000 yen. Some sizes may be unavailable depending on demand. Goshuin stamps and books are also available. The temple office where you purchase souvenirs is open from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the Gotokuji Temple in Tokyo. More Tokyo travel videos will be available soon on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed with the notifications turned on so you know when new videos are available. Until next time.